I've been wondering for a little while how long my cob job would last, and the answer is less than 3 months. This axle is cooked again. Look at that camber. That housing is foobarred. So now none of my 3.5 Blazers are drivable, but I already have Super Duty axles for this Blazer and some 37s, so it's just getting retired a little early. Oh boy, this is making some ugly noises driving. These are a little funky. That ain't right. And found the issue. And this is how I bought this Blazer, actually. The gear oil was leaking out, and I have a feeling that has something to do with it. When you find axle bearings inside the brakes, that's a bad sign. Let's see what we got. I'm betting it's kind of metallic looking. Oh shit. RTV works. There we go. Look at the pretty metal in there. Oh, wow. Jeez. That is unreal. So I will tell you right now, this is not what a high quality, long lasting repair looks like, but it's only got to last me until this spring when this stuff all comes apart anyway. So we're going to roll with it and see what happens. It's only $21 in parts. I'm just going to RTV it instead of a gasket and reuse the metallic gear oil. This had one of these repair bearings in it because that's what I had sitting around from my other Blazer. And that chewed up the axle, so that's why I'm putting a regular bearing in it now, hoping that works. Okay, so this will be fine now. I RTV'd the top, and this seal is definitely not going to run right exactly where the damage is on this axle, right? If you were the worrying type, this might be concerning, but just think of how much better it'll be now with new parts. Can you hear the brakes? Sound pretty horrible, right? Okay, I'm taking it slow. Just going the 5 miles out of town to my old man's. I don't know if you can see the blue smoke. Some kind of smoke. Stinks like brakes. So I'm parking it for a reason. I guess that 2 months was all that 28 bucks in bearings bought me. Yeah, it is very unhappy. Cooking. Just the brake smoking. Definitely a built-in e-brake. That axle is dragging hard. So I'm sure it shit the bed again. That's why I got negative camber in the back here, which is making the brakes misalign with the, well, making the caliper misalign with the rotor, which is why they're dragging. She hot. Okay, full of mouse turds hanging out here for the winter. The inside looks good. Got a bunch of dryer sheets all over the place. So it's only March 11th in New York, but it is also 60 degrees, so I'm gonna get this baby fired up and drive it. But it drives really nice on this mushy stuff. Up and real good. Yeah, we're good there. Sounds so good. Nice to be back driving a Beretta.